Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Vscode, Ssms, and the Microsoft MS SQL extension. Once done, open Ssms briefly to verify server credentials and network access. This ensures you won't hit permission issues later. Next, install the MS SQL extension in Vscode and restart the editor so the extension loads native client libraries. Make sure you know whether you'll use SQL authentication or Windows authentication, because the connection flow and prompts in Vscode differ accordingly. You now build the connection profile inside Vscode. Use the command palette and pick MS SQL. Connect, then enter server name and port, choose authentication type, and supply credentials. Save the profile for reuse. Once connected, create a new SQL file and use the extension's new query command. Run a simple select one or select getDate to confirm query execution and latency. If the query runs, you've linked Ssms managed server access into Vscode and can proceed to full workflows. You finish by organizing your workspace. Save connection profiles to the workspace settings and map SQL files to project folders so you have repeatable context. Use the integrated terminal or tasks to run larger scripts and put secrets in a secure credential store rather than plain settings. If you run into failures, first verify SQL Server's TCP/IP is enabled and the firewall allows the port. Then recheck credentials and authentication type. These 3 checks solve most connectivity problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.